Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel yogurt. First, let's create our delicious caramel base. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Combine these in a saucepan over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Continue cooking without stirring until it reaches a beautiful amber hue. Then, carefully whisk in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1/4 cup of heavy cream until smooth. This rich, homemade caramel is the heart of our yogurt. Now let's talk about the yogurt itself. For the best results, choose a plain, unsweetened variety. Greek yogurt is an excellent choice, providing a wonderfully thick and creamy texture that holds up well to the caramel. If you prefer a slightly lighter consistency, regular plain yogurt works too. Just make sure your yogurt is well chilled before we combine it with our warm caramel sauce. This helps maintain its smooth texture. The key to perfect caramel yogurt is in the mixing. First, ensure your homemade caramel has cooled down for about 10 to 15 minutes. It should still be pourable but not hot. Then, slowly drizzle the caramel into your chilled yogurt. You can gently fold it in for a beautiful marbled effect or mix thoroughly for a uniform caramel flavor. Start with about 1/4 cup of caramel per 1 cup of yogurt, then add more to taste. Your homemade caramel yogurt is now ready to enjoy. For an extra touch, drizzle a little more caramel on top or sprinkle with a pinch of flaky sea salt to enhance the flavor. It's also delicious with a handful of chopped pecans or sliced bananas. Store any remaining yogurt in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. This delightful treat is perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even a light dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.